Mina into engishoyo namanje ngiyasho ngithi mina ngomhla ka4 November le masha kathi uphakela umthakathi uzoyenza ngeke yenze eThekwini. Mtshanani nina nabangani bakhe ukuthi akazoyenza eThekwini, akayoze eMaritzburg, akayoze eGoli ephazamisa ukuvota khona ezokubona okwakhweza ikati emthini.
Hayibo guys, ubani lo Uhlanya? Please guys, let me know on the comment section ukuthi ubani lo memeza kangaka. Angimazi mina, ngiqala ukumbona yazi. Abantu bayamemeza, abantu bakwatile, they are very angry. Abahlali basemjondolo ngapha, EFF ngapha. Yini boss kangaka senzeni? Senzeni ebebanikani lamazayizayi kanti abantu bahlanya they are going crazy abantu because we are chasing away illegal immigrants. Abantu bavuka nje bomvu. Hayibo.
Uzokubona kwakhweza ikati emthini angeke azayenze leyo nto leyo. Uyingane, uyingcili nje, uyinto ekatha, it's a warlord. Yes. If they think into abayenze boyitumelo to kill innocent people, they will repeat that in 2026. They will never do that. Not in our lifetime. Not in our lifetime. There is nothing ezokwenzeka ozothi ufuna ukuyobhikisha ngomhla ka4 November efuna ukuvimba abantu ukuthi bangayovota. Will meet us on the ground.
So ke siboneke because we will be there marching. I-backline has been drawn. So ke siboneke because siyobe sikhona. Angeke phela sizwe ngabezweni lethu sivumelekile. Ayikho i-date thina esingeke size simashe ngayo eSouth Africa. We are allowed. Labo abayobe befuna ukuyovota, it's allowed for them to go and vote. Yini vele be-angry kangaka lo muntu? Uphakela umthakathi wayesho nini ukuthi kuzoyomatshwa kuma-voting stations? Ayibona apha abantu bezohlanya bo. Ukuhamba kwamazayizayi kuyinkinga kubona. Hayi kusho ukuthi inkulu into amazayizayi abanika yona. Ngeke.
Siyavota thina ngomhla ka4. Sifuna ukukhipha i-ANC, sifuna ukukhipha i-DA emandleni. Ngeke azakwenza lokho. Masifuna ukuyomasha uphakela umthakathi, must go to kaNongoma, must go to Olundi, must go to eJozini, must go oPhongolo. Not lapho esidominator khona. Sizomshaya thina literally. Ngadlalisha thina. Inkatha since 1994 yayingafuni ukuyovota. Yayithini aqhubeka uhulumeni wakaZulu, izinja ingafuni isivota. Zifuna siqhubeke siphathwe amabhulu. Njengamanje futhi again basebenzisa uphakela umthakathi umsunu wentsha ukuthi azophazamisa ukuvota kuthi iDA nenkatha izoqhubeka ivote iphathe. Udinga ukushawa abantu base South Africa ke manje uphakela umthakathi usenyathela amasimbi engane abafana yasinukela. Unyathela amasimbi engane yasinukela udakwe imedia udakwe ifemu. Ifemu is a drug if you don't know. Ifemu is a drug. Once ifemu got into your head, you will not function normal. What is happening manje? Uphakela umthakathi is psychologically disturbed. Uyahluleka ukuabsorb ifemu imdakiwe. That's why esethi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota. Mayizothi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota.
When did uphakela umthakathi say South Africans must not go and vote? And when did he say he will be marching to the voting stations? Yini inkinga yalabantu? Yini inkinga yabo? Why bengafuni izwe lilunga? Who said ama-marchers will stop people from going to vote? If we will be marching on the 4th of November, it's our right to march. We are not disturbing anyone. Those who want to go and vote, they will go and vote. And who said Phakela Mthakathi will not vote on the 4th of December? I mean on the 4th of November. If we decide to march on the 4th of November, we will march. It's our rights and no one will stop us. And we can march anywhere we want to march. Even if we want to march on top of the roof, no one will stop us. So who is here to tell us not to march in Durban, in our city? Awuyahlanya lo.
Ifemu imdakiwe, that's why esethi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota. Mayizothi akuphazanyiswe ukuvota, will not go to kaNongoma uphakela umthakathi, will not go to Olundi, but will go to eThekwini or will go to Pietermaritzburg or Newcastle. Why IFP is not dominating. That's why I'm calling upon all MK members ukuthi in case uphakela umthakathi is planning a march ngomhla ka4, we must go and attack uphakela umthakathi. We must go and attack uphakela umthakathi.
So this noise goes with jealousy of fame that Phakela Mthakathi is famous. Shame on you, my brother.
But sis Dudu, we have seen MK members, right? Supporting Dudula and March. And it's wrong. And I can tell you, why am I saying this? You are born in Mozambique yourself, right? Where your father was given accommodation by a president who was unalived, right? In South Africa, because of accommodating your father. And we have never heard President Zuma, right? Like Malema. Malema is vocal in saying that, no, stop scapegoating Africans and stop insulting Africans because we still have white foreigners. Mina, I will say, at some point, your father who went to exile, accommodated by Africans, he should be the first ones, right? To come in public and say, but no, my members of MKP are encouraging charlatans. Bathi umbani lo sis lo ngafundile uJacinta.
Please, but tread carefully because everything that you are saying goes to Tetwendim. Please, my brother.
So your father should be the first one to discourage this thing of Dudula, but your father is quiet. Including you, Wesamudla Ntokazi, you must be the second one after your father discouraging and fighting this thing of Dudula, but you are not loud. Because you are born in Mozambique yourself. You are part of the Shangani people. You are part of the Gaza people yourself. But your own people are being scapegoated here in South Africa, but you are quiet. Including your father as well. Remind your father, right, that at some point he was in Mozambique and he was assisted by who? Samora Machel and Eduardo Mondlane. You understand? And that our enemy is white people who are part of the neoliberal interconnected global system that has a white face, not other Africans. And can you please be loud as well on this issue?
So they called Duduzile in this debate to beg her to go and convince her father Uzuma to start defending foreigners like Julius Malema because of a video Uzuma ayenzile a few days ago yokuthi abahambe. Hayi asazi ukuthi yozala nkomo South Africa. Inkulu lempi ama South Africans avukelana wodwa. Inkulu because you can see ukuthi it divide ama families. IMK imatcha and match. Imatcha no Phakela Mthakathi. Nango omunye uzibiza ngokuthi iMK against imatch and match against ophakela Mthakathi. And into engithandayo ukuthi the majority of South Africans, they can see ukuthi whatever we are complaining about, whatever we are crying about is legitimate. Even wona ama leaders ayazi and ayabona. And I believe ukuthi is that video eyenze laba ba-invite uDuduzile kule debate ukuthi ahamba ayoconvince uZuma. Guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.